Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a magic flip with simple steps and tools. Apparently it has two sides, but by flipping it can have up to 4 sides. It will look like magic and kids will wonder why this happens. In the description of this video, you will find the URL to a set of PDF files containing lines to guide you when folding and cutting paper. You can download them and print them according to your paper size and the size of your desired product. You'll also need a pair of scissors and tape to create this magic flip. Let's get started. First, fold the paper into a 3 by 2 rectangle, then cut the two sides of the middle rectangle closest to the fold line. Next, unfold the paper and cut off the third side of the middle rectangle. There are 2 rectangles in the middle, just cut one of the side. Then, fold the paper as shown in the video. Once folded, peel off a piece of adhesive tape and stick it in the middle of the rectangle. Now that your magic flip is complete, you can start decorating. For ease of illustration, I've only labeled 1 to 4 on each side. Use your imagination and you can draw anything. As you can see, I first collapsed it into a 1 by 3 rectangle and then opened it from the middle. If you open the paper from both ends, the paper can be damaged. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.